Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you the Facebook is tracking you even you are offline, you're not using the Facebook. So you have to go on setting on these on top three dots, then go down to the privacy shortcuts, go all the way down and look at this view or clear your Facebook activity. Look at this, all these apps the Facebook is tracking the one I was opening, and some of the apps I don't even have here in my phone, like US Bank. I don't even have US Bank account, and I don't even have app. So all these apps, whatever you use on your phone, the Facebook is tracking. You can clear from here, clear the history, and then later on, whatever apps you're gonna open, it will come here. But you can turn that off. Go into more option, go into manage future activity, manage future activity, and look at this. Turn this off. This one, I turn off right here. Okay, you have to do this. This is off now, so it's not gonna track it again.